Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new site from scratch on Wix. So let's get started. So to do it, I'll just head over and click on this create new site right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see this free website builder window. So you can integrate AI to set this up, or you can also just set this up without AI. So for me, I'll just choose this option right here, set up without AI. And then in here, you just need to classify what type of website you're gonna do. So for me right here, I'm gonna do an online store. After that, you can also specify what kind of online store you're gonna do. So for me, I'll just choose online beauty store. Then from in there, click on continue. Once I have done that, this Wix right here will prepare my dashboard and I should be able to see every setting that I have on this dashboard. So this will look like this, and you can also see that I have it set up right here. So you need to complete these 8 steps right here in order to know that your site has been truly, fully integrated. So you can connect custom domain right here. So you can just buy a domain and then apply it in just a few clicks. So you can also set up the payment methods. You click on set up payments. You can only do this if you have an online store. But if you're actually creating a blog or a portfolio, it will have different setup steps right here. So for me, I'll need to set up payments. I will also need to add my first product. I will also need to set up shipping and delivery. I need to design my site. This right here is always available at every site type that you have. And you also need to get found by your customers Google and get a mobile app for your store. So in here, I will just try to utilize this one because this one is all applicable at all types of sites. So click on design site right here. And then Wix will ask me if I want a site created for me or I want to customize a design template. So for this one, you can click on this right here. Wix can actually help you. And you can also just customize a design template. So since we want to start from scratch, we can actually just do this one right here. And then from in there, this will actually help me in this. I'll just need to add my business name. So let's put in here a good name for a beauty store. So let's put in here Tiara's Beauty. And then you can also add in here your email, your address, your phone number, and all of that. So click on next. And then once you have done that, just pick a theme that you like. So for me, I'll just choose theme for Vogue. Then click on next. And then over here, this will prepare the homepage designs that they have personalized for us. So let's just wait for this right here. So I'll just choose this one right here. So I'll click this and click on that. And then from in there, this will load again. And then as you can see, my source or store name right here has already been applied on the website they have created for us. So we can just wait for that. And this will integrate us to add pages to our site. We can add locations right here and edit FAQ or FAQ. So when you scroll down, you should be able to see more like contacts and careers right here. But I will just add this tree, click on next, and then this will prepare my homepage design. So let's just wait for that right here. Now that this done loading, we can see that our site is up and running. So from in there, you just need to head over this go to editor if you want to see what it looks like. And we just head over in here to add some finishing touches that you want to add in your app. So from there, we can see what it looks like. So you can see here the product, subscribe form, the brand, and all of that right here. So just edit this out until you think that this is actually good for you. So once you edit everything out, you should be able to publish it. And then once you have published it, you can view your site. And once you have your site, we should be able to see what it looks like on the eyes of the buyers. So just look for this right here and you should be able to see what your site will look like. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create a site from scratch on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.